Many of them we can't see, some of them we can't even smell, but they are all around us in our environment. Chemicals, not just in the air, but also in the things we use every day. Chemicals that, according to these researchers at Oregon State University, are found across the globe.
This study is really the first of its kind.
As part of their study, the researchers sent out these chemical-detecting wristbands to more than 240 volunteers in communities across 3 continents.
We had wristbands from Senegal, a farm-working community in Africa. We had wristbands from South Africa, preschoolers who wore them in Oregon, in Ohio.
So how do these wristbands work? Well, the silicone inside acts much like our own cells, so the chemicals that are absorbed in these are also absorbed into our bodies.
In other words, what's found in these will also be found inside the person who wears them. The research discovered the same 14 chemicals were found in more than half of the wristbands worn.
Whether a wristband was worn by preschoolers in Oregon or by farm workers in Senegal, Africa, the same chemicals were detected in all those wristbands.
Yeah, we were surprised.
And those 14 chemicals, things many of us use every day, chemicals that by and large are not regulated.
A lot of those were personal care product chemicals or fragrance compounds. A lot of them were phthalates, which are found and used as plasticizers. A lot of different plastics around us that we use every day.
The researchers say while chemicals like flame retardants, which have been linked to learning problems and lower IQs, are well studied, other chemicals like the phthalates used in plastics have not. They say their research underlines the importance of studying the health effects of the chemicals we're exposed to on a global basis, in addition to the flame retardants and pesticides that usually get the attention.
Are we really looking at the chemicals that people are exposed to? Or have we gotten kind of in a rut of looking at certain kinds of chemicals?
They say now that we know what common chemicals people are being exposed to, the next step is to understand how those chemicals impact our health.